What's going on, everybody? This is Richboywayne, aka the Specialist of Opportunity, and in today's video I'm going to do a brief tutorial on how to do a credit spread. So as you can see, here we are in Robinhood. If you actually go to the stock here, which is Nvidia, you should see an option to trade options. If you don't see that, you'll need to enable level 3 options trading. Just go to account and then click on the settings, and then within settings, if you scroll down, you'll see it in there. Here we go. So we're going to go to trade Nvidia options, and as you can see, we have some options here. Now typically what we're looking for is a good spread, and I see one right here. So we're going to go to the buy. Always buy the cheapest one, sell the one that's more expensive. And you can either do the calls or puts. I prefer to do the calls. I don't know, just something about me. And as you can see, the expected profit is $165. When we place this order, we'll get that money immediately, like that. We don't have to wait. We don't have to do nothing. We get it immediately. And we only have to put up $85 as collateral. Now, if the stock does not go above this by July 23rd, we get this money back. If it doesn't, well, we lose it. But we're still making a profit either way it goes. This is the way I like to trade credit spreads, is to have my max loss be less than max profit. Sometimes it's possible, sometimes it's not. But the minimum I try to go for is like a 2-to-1 ratio. So for example, say I was making $100 profit here, then my max loss would need to be 200 or something like that to make it worthwhile. You're probably wondering, how did I find this stock? I'm going to teach you guys how to do the research here. Just go to barchart.com. You want to go to options, and then you're going to go to, we'll go for that, and then you want to click on the bear call credit spreads. We're going to click on that, and then go on the screen and it'll tell you all of this good stuff. We just need to click on the max profit here and let's see. Let's check out cost. COST. That's the top one here. So let's see what's going on with cost. It's Costco. I prefer to do the ones that have weekly options, which this one does, and it has a nice spread. And this has some pretty good spreads here. This has really good ones. So you buy this, sell this. Your max loss is $290. That one probably isn't that good. So I personally wouldn't trade that one, but I maybe would do, let's see, maybe this one. It's a good spread. Nah. You gotta think of it like this. Would you trade $400, almost $500 just to make 29 bucks? Probably not. Too risky. So I personally wouldn't do that. Some people would, some people wouldn't. Let's see, I think I was doing the bull put credit spreads before. So it's probably what I need to do. Let's get back over here. That's where I was at. Yeah, this is where I was at. Okay, so I did the bull put credit spreads. And let's check out Alibaba. Let's see what Alibaba got going on. See, here we go. So this one got some good ones in here. Let's see, buy this, turn around and sell this here. You know, this is a pretty decent one. All in all, you get the gist of it. So I hope you guys like this content. If you want to see future videos from me like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And as always, stay up, stay positive, and I'll see you guys in the next video.